Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just wanted to give you guys some drone footage here. The audio was supposed to come over, but it didn't. On the top rack right there, the very top, the three little chopsticks, that's old Sprint 41. Second rack is Verizon. Third rack, T-Mobile. Fourth rack, Sprint 2526. Stay here. I'm going to come in and get close-ups in here. You'll see me zoom in and all that, guys. Enjoy this this voiceover. I had to do some voiceover, so as you can see, the fiber is disabled. They ripped out the wiring, I guess, because they don't want it broadcasting anymore. But that's Sprint 41 right there. And of course, I'm still learning how to fly this drone, so cooperate with me a little bit on how it's kind of jerky around and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoy this. And yeah, there you go. Just listen to the music and enjoy.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
That right there, guys, is the equipment rooms CDMA, any 3G legacy equipment boxes. You know, backup generator right there for Verizon, and that's Verizon's hardware room, that cabin right there. There you guys go. I'm giving you a view of the sunset here in the 702. You know, just wanted to show you some drone footage of a tower site. There you guys go. We'll catch you in the next one, and enjoy that sunset view. Peace.